Be warmly welcome. Do you notice how your eyes are working? Feel invited to dive down for the coming minutes, dedicated to our visual sense. From inside out, let us clean up the house. Get rid of all the knick-knack. Finish all open conversations for this short time span. Conversation finished? Yes, that works well. Bring your spine in upright position. Lift the breastbone. Relax your shoulders. Smooth out the wrinkles between your eyebrows. Smile. You do well? Breathe. Like the turtle in the dream, retreat into your shell. Draw your view inside. Breathe in for fresh oxygen, down to the depths of your lungs, into the smallest branches. Notice your chest being expanded. Enjoy the silence in this breathing space. Now you get more and more calm. Charging system. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, and I'll kiss you. Lovely. Slowly let the eyelids slide up. Orbit. Draw a wide circle with your eyes. Maximum radius. Make beautiful circles counterclockwise. Get bigger and bigger up to the maximum radius. Then change direction and concentrate on the guidance of your eyeballs. That is the moment where I get a little dizzy. Yeah, that's the way it is. You got the right one, baby. Again, close your eyes and breathe. This also triggers the relaxation reflex for the whole body. Ramble-tamble. Rub your hands until warmth spreads and place them on your eyelids. Observe the thermal energy spreading to your eyes. Open the view. Choose one object of your surrounding and follow slowly the outline of it. Run your eyes slowly. Imagine 2 leaf marks with your eyes. Draw beautifully and attentively. Detach your eyes from the screen. Tell me what you see. Amazing. Focus on infinity. Relax the eye muscles until the environment merges. All muscles of the eyeballs now deeply relaxed. Can you release even more? It can be helpful to smooth the skin of the forehead. Re-enter paradise. Imagine how the world looked like when you could not speak yet. Forget all names and enjoy colors and shapes, light and shadow. Unlearn to process or interpret sensory data. Learn to see like a mystic. Remain solitary and quiet. Log out and shut down. Repeat 1 time per day, same time, whatever place. Remaining few seconds. Upon reboot, your installation is complete. The world will roll in ecstasy at your feet. Finally, close the residual browser and quit this channel. Let's give your eyes freewheeling. Pure joy of seeing.